A big story tonight. It's time to rethink if you were planning to buy a diesel car in the National Capital Region. In fact, if you've bought one already and not registered it, then you could be in for some trouble. In an interim order, the country's Green Panel, the NGT, has ordered no new diesel cars will be registered in Delhi and the National Capital Region until the 6th of January. Now, that date is significant because that's when the next date of hearing is on Delhi pollution. The Green Tribunal has also directed the Delhi government and the centre to stop buying diesel vehicles for their departments and asked them to start the process of phasing out old diesel cars.
No new diesel vehicles will be registered in the National Capital Territory till the 6th of January. Also, any new government-run car with a Delhi license plate will now only be a petrol vehicle, after the National Green Tribunal ordered the central and state government to stop buying diesel vehicles to tackle the continuing problem of Delhi's pollution. The interim order will impact not just government vehicles but also new private vehicles in Delhi.
कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि सबको सुनेंगे वो, जिनके भी कोई जैसे सारे काउंसिल्स को सुनेंगे, सारे अथॉरिटीज़ को सुनेंगे, लेकिन तब तक के लिए ये बैन कर दिया गया है। पब्लिक अथॉरिटीज़ जितनी होती हैं वो भी जो डीजल कार्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं उनको भी फेज आउट करने के लिए एक्शन प्लान देने के लिए कहा गया है।
Even though many cars have moved to Euro 4 in Delhi, it is still well behind global standards, which are currently at Euro 6.
The focus of the National Green Tribunal on diesel cars is important. The World Health Organization recognized that there's a link between lung cancer and diesel emissions, which is why it's also reclassified diesel emissions as a Class 1 carcinogen, equating it with tobacco smoking.
There is no doubt that there is a period of heightened urgency to get some things done. But I think whatever we do now must also fit very clearly within a stable and a very aggressive long-term plan.
The NGT also raised questions on the odd-even car plan of the Delhi government, wondering if it would serve the purpose of tackling pollution or encourage some to buy new cars. That would add more pressure to the existing problem.
किसी भी पक्ष से और किसी का कोई भी ऑब्जर्वेशन और कोई ओपिनियन आती है तो वो स्वागत योग्य है। जहां तक बात है कि दिल्ली के अंदर लोग अल्टरनेट गाड़ियों की तरफ बढ़ेंगे, कुछ लोग सोच सकते हैं, लेकिन वही सोच सकते हैं जो इस पूरे दिल्ली वालों की सांस से खेलना चाहते हैं।
The fight for breathable air is being fought on multiple fronts, with the Supreme Court also taking up a petition next week that makes a plea for banning all diesel vehicles altogether. In New Delhi, with Tanima Biswas, Ketki Angre for NDTV.